We have observed the negative publicity of acts of cruelty. Lento ize kakubo. This tragedy should not and will not be used as a get-rich-quick scheme. Apho khona abantu bafuna ukwenza imali ngale ntlekele. Any funds dedicated to it will be used prudently to help our people rebuild our lives. Amaxhoba ngale ntlekele. The relentless rain, the roaring winds and raging flood waters have taken their toll not just on our infrastructure but also on our people, our communities, and our collective sense of safety. The floods have tested us, but rest assured we will rebuild the affected communities. More than 4,300 people have been affected by the recent disaster in our province. Households are destroyed. More than 4,200 households have been destroyed, with 1,963 households with partial roof damage. Number of schools have been damaged, more than 400 schools, with more than 1,500 classrooms damaged. The number of affected learners in those schools is more than 40,000. We have not listed damaged roads, bridges, hospitals, and water infrastructure, but for now we estimate the damage to be around 4 billion.